Hi, I'm Chris Mariani, founder of Aurelius Canon. Today I wanted to go over how to use the Enricher service. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is look at our list of references that we want to use. These references can't be too messy, but they also don't need to be perfect. The next thing we're going to do is go to the actual Enricher tool. Here we can drag and drop our files, or we can click on the box and choose the file. The next thing we're going to do is process the file. As it's processing, metadata is being checked with external sources to validate whether or not the author, the title, and the DOI are present and can be found. Sometimes reference lists that are 20 or more references can take over a minute to process. Perfect. Our reference list is generated, and now we can go into our preferred reference manager and upload the references. As we can see, our references now populate the reference manager. If a provided reference can't be validated, certain fields will still populate into the reference manager. However, there will be notes that are flagged that show that the DOI status is not found, as well as there being a potential mismatch between the data provided. Tags are also generated. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial useful and that you enjoy using the Enricher service at aureliuscanon.com.